Today I will show you how to connect the TBB power inverter to our BSL battery. Remove the bottom cover of the TBB power inverter. The neck is to connect the grid and load. Connect the live wire of the power grid to the L port of AC-IN, and the neutral wire of the power grid to the N port of AC-IN. The load live wire is connected to the L port of AC out, and the load neutral wire is connected to the N port of AC out. Connect the power cables of the battery and inverter. Connect the positive terminal of the power cable to the positive terminal of the inverter. Connect the negative terminal of the power cable to the negative terminal of the inverter. Connect the positive terminal of the power cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the negative terminal of the power cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect one end of the communication cable to the inverter and the other end to the CAN port of the battery. Set the dip switch to 1. After the connection is completed, install the bottom panel of the TBB power inverter and tighten the screws. Ensure the cable connection is correct, then turn on the battery switch. Turn on the inverter switch and wait for initialization to complete. Connect the BMS to the host computer. Connect one end of the communication cable to the battery RS-232 port, and the other end to the USB interface of the computer. Open the host computer software. Click Open Serial and Start Monitor. Enter password 123456 in the user option to obtain permission. Click System Setting and click Read in Inverter Protocol Setting. Select CAN protocol as TBB Lithium, and then click Write. After writing, click Read to check whether the write is successful. Turn on the grid switch and wait for the inverter to start. After the battery and inverter communicate successfully, you can check the SOC of the battery on the main interface, indicating that the communication is successful. Now there is a low battery alarm and the battery should be charged. Long press the confirmation button to enter the setting mode. Select setting option 10 and set the value to 6, which means TBB lithium battery. Set option 12 to value 1 to use the CAN communication protocol. If communication cannot be completed, please check whether the two settings above have been adjusted. The following explains how to perform charging and discharging settings. Choose option 40 to set the priority of battery, grid, and photovoltaic to adjust charging and discharging. For example, if the mode is adjusted to SBU mode, the battery will be discharged according to the priority of photovoltaic greater than battery and battery greater than grid. After the adjustment is completed, press the key to let the inverter enter the working mode. The process of connecting the TBB power inverter to our BSL battery is completed. For more videos, please follow our channel. Welcome to watch.